Purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our ZiiGaat Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video: two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the soundtrack of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of ZiiGaat Audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
Could have been me, could have been you. Who am I to say? After all the things we've done, my words are void, they go straight through. Ghostly letters floating in a clear blue sky. Oh, living in a fantasy, living in a fantasy. Living in a fantasy.
I have known, as the bus stops at the building, the place that I called home. Thought I'd live forever, never thought that I'd return. But every day I made my way, I guess I never learned. I never meant to hurt you, no matter what I said. I never did desert you, you were still inside my head. The earth would keep on turning, the sun would always rise. Don't know why, seems like I'm always so surprised. I can't sleep at night. Life is black and white, and all I can do in a world without you is keep moving, keep moving, is keep moving, keep moving.
Space. To each person moving. Everybody defines space in their own way, mostly by using barricades. The different uses people make of space is up to the individual. Some people like to relax, while others like space to work in, and others like to dream. In the feudal times, people used to enclose space and have their own plots of land. Space is what we need, room to breathe. Call your own. Surely there must be enough space for everyone to control, within their own boundaries, to manipulate, to find activities that can take place. Everybody needs space. You need the room to relax. When you're tired, when you come home, even just to place a few belongings. You can share this space with other people, and it also acts as a resting place. Space is what we need, room to breathe. Call your own. Space is what we need, room to
You used to have two shining eyes, big ideas and exciting plans. Your behavior sometimes radical, to impress your special friends. You felt the pressurized to make a sacrifice, to fit in, be like everyone. You had some surgery, cosmetic energy, now your face is gone. There goes your oddity, let no weakness show. There goes your oddity, let your sweet self go. Go.
written on the last page. Let's just leave, 'cause I've grown so tired of this place. Oh, the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Oh, the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Let the wind run through my fingers. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. I hear the sand under the wheels. There's a cool breeze. Oh, Eldorado won't stop running. I'm drifting to sleep. Oh, while you drive me far away, we left hand over heels. Oh, the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Let the wind run through my fingers. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. I hear the sand under the wheels. There's a cool breeze. Oh, the road is lonesome. Oh, the road is lonesome before you travel on it. We travel light, not more than what fitted in a paper bag. Grabbed our boards for a road trip in a Cadillac. Oh, the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Let the wind run through my fingers. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. I hear the sand under the wheels. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea.